Dear brothers and sisters, I hope you all are doing well. Have you ever felt like you wanted something so desperately and think it's impossible to get, but somehow you keep making dua nervously? Don't you think Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put the dua in your heart as if He wants to give it to you? You just need to stop doubting your duas because nothing is impossible for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You have the dua in your heart for a reason. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put that in your heart, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would never plan something for you that is useless. No matter how impossible your dua might seem to you, you can't doubt the power of your Lord. He can grant you the things in seconds. What if He is testing your patience and steadfastness? What if you are just one dua away from that thing? What if you give up thinking that it's impossible? Wouldn't you be sad? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is shy to return His believers empty-handed. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala comes down at the time of tahajjud to listen to your duas of His believers. What makes you doubt your duas? Shaitan, right? Before making a dua, know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave you the ability to ask for it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put that specific need in your heart. Why? Maybe He wants to bless you with it. After making a dua, be firm in your belief that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will grant it to you. Don't give up on your duas. Read lots of astaghfirullah. It opens the doors to many blessings and opportunities.